Do your legs feel tired, weak, or crampy, even when you haven't done much? You might be eating the wrong foods without even knowing it. Certain everyday items in your kitchen could be silently weakening your leg muscles right now. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to remove from your diet to protect your legs and what to eat instead. If you care about staying strong, mobile, and independent as you age, this video is especially for you. We are diving into 5 common foods that are quietly draining strength from your legs. Ever wonder why your legs feel like jelly after just a short walk? Let's find out what is really going on. Let's start with the first food: sugary snacks and sodas. Sugar spikes your blood sugar, then crashes it, leaving you drained. It also increases inflammation in your muscles and joints, which can trigger cramps and weakness. That mid-afternoon soda or candy bar might give you a boost now, but it is secretly setting you up for fatigue later. Try switching to fruit with natural sugars and fiber, like a banana or dates, for long-lasting energy and potassium. Next up, processed meats like bacon, sausages, and deli cuts. These are packed with sodium and preservatives, which interfere with your circulation. Poor blood flow means tired, cramp-prone legs. Sodium nitrate, a common preservative in deli meat, has been linked to inflammation and muscle damage. Instead, choose lean, unprocessed proteins like grilled chicken, tofu, or legumes to support your muscles. The third food to avoid is refined carbohydrates, including white bread, pasta, and pastries. These burn fast and crash hard. They also lack nutrients like magnesium and B vitamins that your muscles need. Have you ever felt sleepy and heavy after a big pasta meal? That is your legs telling you they need better fuel. Swap white bread for whole grain or sprouted grain versions for steady energy and better muscle function. Now let's talk about trans fats, which are found in fried foods, margarine, and many packaged snacks. Trans fats clog arteries and reduce blood flow, especially to your lower body. That means less oxygen and nutrients reach your legs. Even small amounts of trans fat can increase your risk of peripheral artery disease, which causes leg pain and weakness. Cut back on fried fast food and check labels for partially hydrogenated oils. And finally, alcohol. Alcohol depletes magnesium and B vitamins, both of which are essential for nerve and muscle health. It also interferes with sleep and muscle recovery. A few glasses of wine at night may lead to restless legs or leg cramps while you sleep. If you enjoy a drink now and then, balance it out with water and foods rich in B-complex vitamins like eggs or leafy greens. Your legs carry you through life, and they deserve better fuel than processed junk and empty carbs. Removing these 5 foods can improve your energy, strength, and circulation. Which of these is hardest for you to give up? Let us know in the comments below.